Alright guys, so we're back with a unique hair tutorial. So this is featuring Klaiyi hair, and what we are doing now is basically showing you that my mom has put my hair in a chain braid, and then she put some protective glue, not protective glue, but the protective stuff for the glue on top of the cap, and I set under the dryer. It's all dried, and I'm just showing you the stuff that they sent me. Their hair is really soft. So with this bow that you're trying to achieve, if you have some cheap hair or anything like that, use that hair because it's like cheap, so it's more stiffer and not so much of a Peruvian or Malaysian when you're doing the bow. You'll see when I get to the bow what I'm talking about. So she's just cutting the excess cap off, and the other cap that's remaining, she's going to start gluing the tracks onto my cap. So we're using two 18 inches for the even cut. So it's like half up, half down, but you know how like they have it where nowadays they do it like the even cut, and then they have a ponytail at the top going towards the back, and it's all straight. That was so cute to me, and I always wanted to try it, but I wanted to do a bow this time because it's Christmas time. Come on now, I had to get crazy. I did a bow before though. It was really cute, real kitty, but y'all know me, I don't care. I will rock any style possible. So she's just taking track by track by track, measuring the tracks all the way until she gets to the top where you see the glue stops at, and also where she parted my hair with Layla. Hi Lily. Okay, so she's using 30-second glue, and she's just basically measuring, cut, place, measuring, cut, place until she gets to the top. She's done placing the tracks. This is how it should look. So the glue in should look like this, and now she's going to basically take some hair around the perimeter of the tracks that you see to cover them. So she's taking it out the rubber band and basically parting to cover up the tracks because you don't want to see the tracks. You want it to be seamless. And then she's going to take her pressing combs and then flat iron the hair. voila, it's like magic. What tracks this? No. Way too much. Okay, y'all, so I don't really have edges like that. Make my hair short, so baby, we working with what we got. So she's just basically parting some of the hair from out the hair that I do have, and she's basically going to make edges. So part, and make edges. So she is using this gel today, y'all. It's real. The gel is really soft, but she mixed it a little bit with some Eden after, like at the end, and she just split some in hair first, so she can make my ponytail. My ponytail so little, my little bitty hair. So she's fixing it. She's gonna brush it, and then you're not gonna see her brush it, but she's brushing it, and then she's going to put it in the ponytail, and then make a little knot. So therefore, when she gets ready to apply the weave ponytail, it'll just be in a ball. Woo! Baby hair's popping, baby. Okay. All right, girl. Come here, transformation. Okay, so the cut is going to make it so bouncy and so flowy. So what she's doing is basically just cutting basically the ends, but it's shoulder length, so I didn't want it to go any shorter than this. I do want to try one even cut that's real low or high up to the chin area, but she just kept it shoulder length, and now she's just flatting all around, flat ironing all around until she gets like really sleek. I love it. And then when you actually playing it, it goes right back in place. Oh, hot pickles it is. Eat that, girl. No, it was so good, y'all. And I had to get some juice. But yeah, now what she's doing is she's basically wrapping that ponytail around the ball that I have, the little knot that I have at the top. Make sure your knot is not so tight, because I had a headache. I had to take my leave because it was hurting so bad. Make sure it's not as tight, because when you wrap the hair around, it's going to get tighter. So I had to loosen it up a little bit. And then what she's doing now is basically just continuing to wrap it around. She did put some glue on it, and now she's going to take a piece of the hair so that she can cover the track and wrap it around the ponytail again. So like, this is so cute. Like, you're going to see it in a sad ponytail. It's so cute. And I think I'm going to do that next style. But like, oh my goodness, it's so pretty. I love this. Let me know if you tried this hairstyle before. Let me know. I know I never seen nobody try it with the bow. If you know somebody who tried it with the bow, let me know. But I never seen nobody try it with the bow. Like, oh, look at that. It's so cute. Okay, shake a shy, girl. Shake a shy. No. Alright, she's just putting some gas to be glue, so that everything can be molded down and stand still. Because, baby, we don't like no messy nothing over here. You ain't never seen us do a messy bun, none of that. Because we like the perfection. You see me digging in my hair with a comb. Oh, it's just irritating. And I was sleepy too. So for the bow, what she's going to do is basically straighten and flatten the hair. And then she's going to basically pull the hair, bend the hair forward. and then she's going to wrap it with a scrunchie, and then you're going to basically cut it down the middle and then spread it from side to side, from left side to right side. Spray it so that it can mold. So that's why I said cheap hair is best, because it's so floppy looking. It's not like stiff enough, so you have to really mold this. And then she took the flap in the front and brought it to the back, and then you're gonna bobby pin it. And if you want to cut off the flap, then you can, or tuck it. It's up to you, but I just left it down because I want to do other ponytails. But that's it for this tutorial. I hope that you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and don't forget to go check them out in the description bar below. And until then, I'll see you guys on the next video.